Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we dive into LeetCode problem number 1863, sum of all subset XOR totals. In this problem, we are given an array nums and we need to find all of its subsets. Calculate the bitwise source of total for each subset. Remember that empty XOR is 0. And then sum up all these totals. So for example, we have here nums 1 and 3, and we will calculate like 0, then 1 and 1, then 3, 3, then 1 and 3 will be total of 2, and we add them together and we get 6. Constraints are quite small, only 12, so we can use even a kind of brute force approach. So I will start with algorithm pattern, this first search using recursion. In this way, we will just check this path the deepest using recursion, and we'll be able to calculate the total sum. So we will start with defining breadth search. We will use I as our pointer and the rest as a result that we should return. Then we will make a base case scenario. For example, if I equal to length of nums, we can return result immediately. Now we will move to another part when we make our recursion by implementing return, and we will use DFS search on I plus 1, and we will XOR rest to nums I, this to check all elements, and then we will add the first search for I plus 1 and result. Lastly, we'll need to return the first search 0 and 0. This indicates the start of I0 and also the end, the rest, to be precise, total, our result, is also equal 0. So let's run this code. It goes. And it's pretty good. So in this scenario, we use recursion, and we will return the sum of results from these two branches using the first search, adding them together. This correctly explores all possibilities, but the time complexity will be O square n, because we branch twice for each element covering all subset, and the space complexity will be O(n) due to recursive depth. But we have a better solution, and for that solution I will move to TypeScript, where we can use bit manipulation. Algorithm. The algorithm will be bit manipulation. Instead of deeper search, we will use very simple system where we calculate let rest equal 0, then we will for length of nums open bracket, then rest will be equal or to n, and lastly we will return result multiplied by 2 double multiplied by nums length minus 1. And let's run this code. That's test case. And it's bit 100, so it's much more. So in this idea, we prefer bitwise operation on rest. And as I said, bit in rest is that bit is set in either the current rest or the current number n. And after the loop, rest hold the bitwise OR of all numbers. And finally, we use rest multiplied by 2 times num length minus 1 to calculate the result. The operation of double multiplying in TypeScript explanation, so this computes the rest of 2 square and nums length minus 1, which is our far answer. This bitmap ratio is more efficient as time complexity will be big O of n, and space complexity will be big O of 1, as we only have stable variables. So in conclusion, we should think about the problem at bit level, and this can lead to a significantly faster algorithm. So which method did you prefer? Drop a comment below. If this helped you, consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching.